Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix. Discord can't hear anyone step by step, so your voice chat works perfectly in 2026. First, check your output device in Discord. Open user settings, go to voice and video, and make sure the correct headphones or speakers are selected under output device. If it's set to the wrong device, you won't hear anyone in voice chat. Next, verify Windows sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon, open sound settings, and confirm your headset or speakers are set as the default playback device. Windows sometimes switches devices automatically after updates or when new hardware is connected. Now check volume levels. Inside Discord, make sure the user volume sliders aren't muted or turned down. Also check your system volume mixer to confirm Discord isn't muted there. Another important fix is disabling exclusive mode. Go to your playback device properties, open the Advanced tab, and uncheck the exclusive control options. This prevents other apps from blocking Discord audio. You should also try running Discord as administrator and restarting the app. Temporary glitches can sometimes block audio output. If the issue continues, update your audio drivers through Device Manager and fully restart your PC. Outdated drivers are a common cause of sound problems. Finally, rejoin the voice channel and test again. In most cases, these steps will restore your audio. If this guide helped you fix Discord audio, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord troubleshooting tutorials in 2026. See you in the next one.